beep it says. Hello everybody, welcome back to yet another exciting episode. Hands on with BLG. I am BLG. I am lefty. I am righty. Hooray for righty, hooray. It is a scorching 70 degrees in mid-February. I think it's February 16th. And the Midwest and stuff is all looking at snowstorms. 70. Windows are open, see? That's the screen. But I got a wild hair up my butt. I'm almost out of French dressing. I found an old cookbook. Was it Betty Crocker? From way back in the 60s and 70s. Found a recipe for French dressing. We're going to see if it's the same today. This is copycat recipes out of a cookbook, I suppose. And I'm going to modify it a little bit more. I read the back of this bottle. And this recipe in there doesn't call for onion powder. It doesn't call for garlic powder. And it doesn't call for pepper. Like here, this stuff. Doesn't call for any of this. I'm going to make the regular stuff and then I'm going to test it, taste it. I got a little bit of it out of the bottle here in the cap. Okay? And we're going to mix this up real quick and taste it. See what it does. So let's get down here and get to busy. Get to busy. And hoink, like so. Set you down out to the counter. Now, what it said here is 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil or olive oil. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, right on the money. And then we do 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar. Alright. Tablespoon. I got the recipe back here behind so it's not in the way. Yeah, 1 tablespoon. Wait a minute. Yeah, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I just want to make sure. So I'm going to put this in here. If I can get it to come out. Slow. 1 tablespoon distilled white vinegar. Okay. And then 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, which I've got right here. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Blow, just like that. It says there. Set that down for a second. I gotta get this cap on here. Okay, then it calls for 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. So it does call for that. Boink. Okay. Really quick episode, folks, but this is kind of cool if it works. 1/8 of a teaspoon of dry mustard. That's this stuff in the yellow can. So I need just a little, 1/4 of a teaspoon. Just a little pinch like that, I guess. Okay. Then what's it called for? 1/8 of a teaspoon of paprika. This stuff. Paprika. 1/8 of a teaspoon. You stay there. Eighth of a teaspoon of paprika. Oh shit! I gotta put this back on here. Put that back on there. That thing. Okay. And then it says to mix it up. Very loose. This also called for high fructose corn syrup. This in here didn't call for, but it's on in here, the first recipe. I guess that's what makes it thick. I don't know. Give me a little finger taste here. Can't taste anything. Compare that with this. This is much better. I'm going to put... See, this is where I start going crazy. I'm going to put just a dash of regular light corn syrup in. I don't know what I'm doing. We're going to find out if I can make this good, though. I'm going to put that in there. Now I'm going to put a little pinch of garlic powder. I'm going to put a little pinch of onion powder. Onion powder. Oh, I know it opens. A little pinch of onion powder. I'm going to put a little pinch of black pepper. Now I'm following the instructions on this here bottle, right, chow, for somewhat of what's in it, not instructions, ingredients. I'll put some black pepper in here. I'm going to stir this. See what this does. That's better, but it's a little bit, still not quite as sweet. I'm going to put more corn syrup in it. I don't care. I don't know how much. Just a good squirt. Corn syrup. Try to sweeten it up a little. Mix this around like so. Now that's closer. What am I thinking here? A dash more of the garlic. A little dash more of the garlic. Dash more of the onion. I think. Stir that up. Mix, 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 mix. You're supposed to put it in a jar and shake it. I'm going to do that in a minute. What do we got here? Compared to that is closer. That is much closer. And they put red and blue food coloring in to darken it, I think. So I'm going to put 3 drops of red, 1 drop of blue, all right. Hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah, that is good. That is French dressing right there. And like I said, I'm sorry about the corn syrup and all the other stuff measurements. Just dashes and squirts and taste it. Identical. Taste identical. So I'm not even going to use that. I'm just going to go ahead and put this right on in this jar here. Like so. This will make it mix even better. Like that. This back in here out of the cap. In fact, I need to rinse the cap now. Rinse and the cap. Rinse and the cap. Put Mr. Cap back on. Put that down. I'm going to give this a good shake. And there you go, folks. I went from just about out of French dressing to got about a third of a bottle. 1, 2, about a third of a bottle. French dressing. And it is. It's really good. That's it. That's the stuff, man. So there you have it. Homemade French dress. Where are you? So there you have it. Homemade French dressing. It's pretty easy, and it's good. So, hope you like the episode. It's a quick one today. Yes, I know. I got other things to do. But anyways, hit the little like button, subscribe, and all that stuff. That's covered. You can ring the little bell, leave a comment. All that's covered in the outro. Hope you like the episode. We will see you guys back here for the next exciting episode. Hands on with BLG. For BLG, I'm BLG. I am Lefty, and I am Righty. Goodbye, folks. Have a good one. Make this stuff. It is good. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around.